Hello, I'm Abby and I'm a tie-dye artist. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make an ice dye design. Let's get started. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to be notified of future videos. You will need a plain cotton cushion cover, tulip one-step tie-dye kit in Paradise, ice cubes, elastic bands, a wire rack, a sink or washing up bowl, cling film or plastic bag, latex gloves, washing machine. Put on your gloves. Dampen your chosen fabric with water so it is damp but not dripping wet. Tie your design, then place it in a washing up bowl or plastic dish, not one used for food. Cover your project in ice cubes until you can't see any fabric poking through. Choose your colours and design and add your dye powder with a spoon over the top of the ice. Place the bowl into a plastic bag and leave overnight in a warm place so the ice melts completely. Carefully remove your project from its bowl and rinse under cold running water, removing any bands as you go. When the water runs clear, rinse your project in the washing machine and dry away from direct heat. Go to hobbycraft.co.uk to book a workshop, find your next project or learn a new skill. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and we'd love to see your thoughts in the comments.